Did you know that roughly 1/3 of the food throughout the world gets either lost or wasted? And in North America, a lot of our food waste ends up in the landfill. Well, I found a company that wants to help turn our waste into saving the planet.
I'm Brian Valentine. I'm the CEO of WISErg Corporation. We are in Redmond, Washington. We're a company that takes food material from grocery stores and converts it to a liquid organic certified fertilizer.
But they don't turn the food waste into fertilizer in a traditional way.
So it's a cold, aerobic, biological digestive process, which means we don't use any heat, we don't create any waste in the process, we don't add any water in the process, but we recover all the nutrients.
The whole process starts by WISErg picking up the waste from local grocery stores using a harvester. So we're talking stuff from the bakery, stuff from the produce department, stuff from the butcher department. All of that goes into here.
If you can eat it, drink it, or cook it, we can take it. So bones, your ex-boyfriend, we could take that in here if we had to.
This isn't an episode of Fargo.
We do try to
okay?
stay mostly with grocery store waste. But basically, the department manager just comes up, he keys in his code, puts in, he's throwing away meat, and because it's trimming or because it's expired.
Right.
That data is then used to fed back to the retailer to help them make better purchasing decisions so they're not wasting as much in the future.
Every night we get a load of broth in, as we call it, from the grocery stores.
Right.
And that's what gets converted into the fertilizer. All right, so this is our control room.
We can mess some things up.
Yeah, we can mess some stuff up in here. We can also make some good stuff in here.
Right. The WISErg team is a mix of former Microsoft techies and agricultural specialists, and they have strict quality control methods for both the inbound food waste and the outbound fertilizer.
So those are the food source tanks there.
Broth tank.
Broth tank.
And then we mix stuff, we mix the inoculum in with the food, we put it in this tank, and it takes only 3 days for our biology to consume the food. Wow. At the end of the 3-day period, then we do some final filtering to make sure it's under 50 microns.
Okay.
And so there's a couple of days of final filtering, but it's all the magic happens in one of these tanks here. And then the finished fertilizer, when it's all done, comes out here to a tanker truck, or we load it into totes, so you can see over here, but it's liquid, we can put it in any form,
Gotcha.
Any container size.
Thank you guys so much for showing us, and I hope more and more people can use your guys' fertilizer. I got to go look for it right now.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.